Yeah, so another beautiful trade, guys. So this one, this time I'm trading with $700. I believe that this one is going up. So using my strategy, as you can see, I got this signal today. I get this signal, so the strategy is telling me that this one is going up. So a good investment over here. As usual, I'm using the parabolic SAR, using the Bollinger Bands. Those are easy to predict the market with, and the RSI. So let me just try to explain to you. So I'm using Bollinger Bands. Wait a minute. So I'm using Bollinger Bands. By the way, the strategy is explained in the description below. There is a course. In the course, I will try to explain to you how the strategy is working. I will try to teach you everything I learned over the years. Also, Bollinger Bands, I'm using also the parabolic. Parabolic SAR. I'm also using RSI, and I'm using my own moving average and my the charts. So chart patterns. So I'm using chart patterns. I'm using Bollinger Bands. Let's write just BB here. I'm using BB, and yeah. Okay, this one is also going down. This one is also going down. So as you can see, if I'm winning, I will take with me $600. Sorry. If I'm winning, I'll take with me $600, $609 with an investment of $700. And if I'm losing, I'm leaving $700. So I will take with me, in the case if I'm winning, I will take with me 87%. In the case if I'm losing, I will leave all the $700. So that's the difference, is that the difference between, so 700 and $609, which is 13%, is the profit that IQ option will take. Yeah, so fortunately my strategy is working. Yeah, the prediction is perfect. Yeah. All right. Let's keep it $700. Yeah, no. This one is also going down. So look what's happening here. Look, this one, this one, this one. And then we have this doji. So this indicates, so with the help of the RSI. So the strategy is explained in the description below. I will put a link, so if you are interested in learning the strategy, yeah, you can take a look at the strategy, try to learn it. Or if you can't purchase it, you don't have enough money, that's okay, you can learn. So we made, all right, another $609. Yeah, see this one, you will see it appearing here. All right, no, I can't explain it why, but guys, trust me, yeah, around this place. Yeah, around here. So I guess if my calculations are right, this candle will make it over here. Yeah, great. So just as expected, $609. Now let's see what's happening here. Yeah, let's invest another $700. Now, as usual, as you can see, if I'm losing, I will lose all the $700. So you need to pay attention to the trades. You need to concentrate and put a lot of discipline on your trades. Don't invest money if you are not 100% sure that you are going to make at least you are going out outside, you are quitting or exiting the position with even. So be careful, don't lose any money. Yeah, so the strategy that I use told me that this one is also going down. So this is the maximum. Perhaps we will have a green candle. Yeah, I'm having a green candle, but fortunately I opened the trade much above the open of the candle. So yeah, like in this case, I got to have a red candle. So yeah, amazing. So let's just calculate what's going to be happening here. We have a candle here. This one should be a red candle, and I'm supposed to make another $609. Please remember, I'm trading on euro, Japanese yen. Yeah, so $609. We still have more trades to open. All right, so this one is going all the way down. So guys, if you're interested, you can learn the basics of trading. There's plenty good videos on YouTube, people teaching for free. There's tutorials, there is books, there is articles, there's plenty of stuff that you can learn from. But if you're interested, you can do it from the course in the description below. Of course, if you can afford buying the course. Also, yeah, if you can't, you can just try to learn by yourself. I spent years learning different trading methods, different techniques, how the market is working, how the market is using the indicators, how the indicators are behaving, what's happening with the RSI. Yeah, this is 100% going down. So yeah, look at this one. So if you know my strategy, you know what I'm talking about here. If you don't, I'm sorry. You just can watch, enjoy it. That's it. I can't give you more details here. Yeah, amazing. This one is going down. Still have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and just as predicted, another win. All right, another beautiful win. Let's see. All right, this one is also going down, so I chose low position, meaning that this one, the market, but once the market reached this red line, meaning when this 1 minute ends, I'm predicting, or I'm telling that this, meaning the market will end this minute under this line. If my prediction is right, I'm making this amount, $600 or $609. If I'm losing, as you can see. In this case, I'm winning. If I'm losing, $700. Yeah. So see, but I'm sure this one, yeah, a win. See, last seconds, a win. Sometimes I feel like I was supposed to lose here. I don't know what happened, because I opened a little bit higher. All right. Yeah. $700. Low position. This one is also going down, so we having this downtrend. All right, this downtrend. So we having this. Take a look. Yeah, this time it's going down. This time it's going up. So if we're using the resistance line, they're supposed to be here. So yeah, but I don't like to use the resistance line are telling me that this one is going up, but yeah, I like to stick to my strategy. Look here, look what happened. So this point, this point, this point, and this point, we have these candles. All right, 6-9, another. So yeah, I guess this one is the last one.